Welcome to Dubu Fishan TV. Today, we are going to look at how to feed fries and fingerlings of catfish. The right sizes of food to feed them with. Feeding method. And how you can feed them at this stage to avoid mortality. Remember in our earlier videos we told you about how to hatch, when they were hatched, as they were growing, and now they are fingerling. So this is how you feed them. At this stage you feed them by broadcasting the feed on top of the water, like you take the feed. So that the feed will get to all of them and they're going to feed very well. At this stage, the right size of feed to give them is 0.8. 0.5 to 0.8. That is the right feed to give them. And you don't overfeed. Feed 10% below saturation, which means if the intake has 100% of what they are supposed to take for the day, you divide them into two, you feed in the morning and evening, and make allowance for underfeeding, 10% underfeeding. Because the major problem you encounter at this stage while feeding fingerlings is overfeeding. And once you overfeed them, they die massively. So, apart from the broadcasting method that I've shown you, you can still train your fish to feed at a spot. All of them will come there and be eating. The feed is just in one place and all of them will be eating. But the sensitivity of the fish is not yet strong for all of them to come to a particular spot to feed. It will take like 1 week before they can master it. And by so doing, others will feed more than each other, and cannibalism will ensue because most of them are feeding and the rest are not feeding, because the rest will not even know that there is feed on top of the vats, on top of the water. So what you do is you bring your feed, you create a feeding regime where if it is 8 in the morning, you are feeding them after you've done the necessary siphoning, you've administered your prophylaxis. If there's a need to change water, you change. Like a need to run heavy flow through, you run, you feed them. At that particular time, it's 8 a.m., you feed them 8 a.m. You feed them 8 in the morning, in the evening, if it is 6 or 7 you are feeding them, at that particular time you feed them. But remember, you feed them by broadcast the feed. Broadcasting of feed means you are spreading the fish all over the pond. That's it. So that all of them can feed. All of them can feed. All of them can feed. I think the size of the feed are 0.5 to 0.8. Yeah. There are so many feeding companies, but I will not delve into that for now. That is the video for another day. So many companies that produce feed for fries and fingerlings. They are okay in the market. So you can see this broadcasting method ensures that the fish they eat evenly and they grow evenly. Although occasional sorting is required. We will come to that in our subsequent videos. are eating very, very well. See, they've eaten everything. You wait. When they finish everything, you broadcast again. You see, you broadcast like this, by blowing like this. Broadcast like this. Broadcast like this. You see, you are eating vigorously. You are hungry. There are so many in here. You want something like this? You can contact us. Odogu Fish Farm YouTube page is my YouTube channel is Odogu Fish Farm TV. My Facebook page is Odogu Fish Farm TV. My normal Facebook is Odogu Fish Farm. I see you are eating very well. Very, very well. We injected this fish on the 15th of December 2004. 2024 rather. So you can. What do you see? What do you notice about the fish? You can comment on what you are seeing. Criticize us negatively, positively. We are ready to learn. We are all learning. But eventually, we want to bring innovative approach, a simple and innovative approach to aquaculture to you, viewers. It's lucrative. It's only here that we have this fish like this. They are in all the forms. Let me show you this one. They are all different. I'll teach them by broadcasting. By broadcasting, they all eat too. It's in vigorous. All different. We feed them what they can pick up. For 20 to 30 minutes. Can I come here too? So start placing your orders. Start booking. You have them to here. You come up now. I already showed this one for you. Mind you, when you are feeding, you have to underfeed a little. Don't start your fish. So you know the advice to start your fish. The fish will spread all over the tank. Once you overfeed your fish, it means that you are feeding the tank and not the fish. The water, 4 things will happen. One, the water will be highly polluted. The fish will eat without control and they will start dying. Once the water is polluted, bacteria will build up. When bacteria build up, what happens? Mortality will set in. And at this stage, a particular bacteria that normally protect this fish is Flexibacter. Flexibacter is very brutal because it gives you almost 100% mortality. You have to be very careful. In as much as you want to do hatchery production of catfish and tilapia, feeding is very, very important. All the aspects are important. Feeding, is one of the critical factors in catfish hatchery production. You need quality feed, quality starter feed. You know, at different levels of gradation. 0.2, 0.1, 0.3, 0.5, 0.8, 1 ml, and that like that. So it is very, very important that while you are feeding your fish, you can see this. You can see this constant. See? They are well fed. They are not swilling and swilling and swilling again. They are not schooling in swills again because they are well fed. If you take a touch and look at the bottom of their bellies, you see that it's swollen, and you really know that they've eaten. Don't be tempted that because you are standing and they are coming to you, or your light, they are coming towards your light. They are becoming sensitive to light, sensitive to their immediate environment. Understand? So, I urge you to subscribe to my channel, Odogwu Fish Farm TV. Comment, like, share. You know, and don't forget to turn on your notification button when you subscribe. I will bring you important videos like this. Very, very innovative. Because a lot of people are at this stage wasted effort, resources. You know what it means to buy this stuff. After buying this stuff, you farm, after farming, and you buy feed, you buy medication, you are bringing up the fish to this stage, and suddenly they start dying. Most times, there's nothing wrong with your water, there's nothing wrong with your environment. What is actually wrong with your method of feeding? You are feeding the tank and not the fish. You feed and feed and feed, and because they are, after feeding they are eating, you think, they are eating, and they start dying. Another pattern to use is, if you are, for instance, if you are using 5 tablespoons food to feed your fish, you can actually increase it to, after 5 days you add 1 spoon, like that. You are adding, you are increasing and increasing. If you are not sure of what you are really doing. And another thing is, there are companies, I will not mention their names because of YouTube copyright policy. They have feeding chart. They actually sell feed and they have feeding chart. Yes, you check their feeding chart. But as you know, fish farming is not rocket science. It's based on what you are seeing. Sometimes you might feed more, sometimes you might feed less, depending on the condition of the fish at that moment. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please share, comment, make your bookings, place your orders. We can supply you. We supply catfish and tilapia, fingerlings, post-fingerlings, juveniles, even jumbo, to anywhere in Nigeria, to Niger Republic, to Cameroon, to Ghana, Benin, Burkina Faso. Yes, Burkina Faso. To Sierra Leone. All you just do is to contact us on WhatsApp on the number that was provided on the screen. You can equally check on my channel. There are other innovative videos there, educative videos that will give you more insight in catfish and tilapia. So fast. Our fries have now turned into fingerling. Our effort has now paid off. It's already journey from 15th of December 2024. Injected on 15th, stripped on 16th, and we stripped, fertilized, and we sprayed the eggs on the kakapa. On the 17th, because of the extreme cold at that period, they hatched to next day, on the 18th, they will remove the kakapa. After 3 days, we blow all the yolk sac. At that period, they will rely on the yolk sac for food. They will love it. So that we are feeding fries. From there, we had post fries. Now, our effort has paid off. We have fingerling. I want to thank all of you that have followed us through this journey. The perseverance, subscription, comments. Thank you. We also want to thank Facebook, YouTube for bringing up such innovative platform where we can share our experiences that we have gained from daily practice. Aquaculture is quite a lucrative business that you can go into and make a living out of it. I urge you to subscribe to our channel, Odogo Fish Farms TV, like our videos, comment on them, share our videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification button when you subscribe to my channel. If you want something like this, wherever you are in Africa, in Nigeria, we are experts in the circulatory system, hatchery setup, grow out pond setup, 18 ponds construction, and other aspects of aquaculture.